Hi, this is Chong. Welcome to this high-level descriptions of the requirements for Homework 5. Now this is very high-level descriptions, so for detailed implementations, please refer to homework5.pdf and the respective .java classes that are in your assignment folder. The goal of this Homework 5 is first of all to implement a login process. Second, to import postings from external file. This is kind of a introduction to batch processing. And then once the postings are imported in, to run clean text and extract sentiment for each of those postings. And then lastly, to print out the final updated postings. The learning goal of this assignment is for you to learn how to use the scanner class for login process. And then for you to learn how to use Java I/O, which are classes like buffered reader and file reader for working with text files, external text files. And then to learn how to write classes, objects, constructors, methods, and fields. So let's talk about what you already know from Homework 4. From Homework 4, you implemented the posting class, which has one constructor and two methods. One is clean text, the other one is extract sentiment. In Homework 4 also you have a class called Homework 4 that has a method called process, and in this process method we instantiate a posting object, or we create a posting object, and then we invoke these two methods, clean text and extract sentiment. Now in Homework 5, we introduce a new class called movie. Think of movie like a big fish and posting as small fish. So the movie class has many posting objects, just like the big fish will have will eat many small fishes. Consume will be a better word, I guess. So a movie class will consume many movie posting. So in Homework 5, we still have the same posting class, except we have an additional method called the print method right here. And we replace Homework 4 file with a Homework 5 file, which means we run all the code in the main method of Homework 5. But we introduce a additional process called the login process. So if the login process is successful, then you will run the rest of the code. If the login process failed, you will terminate the execution at that point in time. Now the new thing that we have in Homework 5 is this movie class. This movie class has one constructor and three methods: import postings, create postings, and print out. Now this is a brief description of this import postings and create postings method. The job of the import postings is to import the postings from an external file, and then call create posting that will create a posting object for each of those postings. So once each posting object is created, we will add each posting object to the array list. Array list is a new data structure that is introduced in this Homework 5. Another video will be provided to explain or to do a demo on how to use a array list. So the way all this is going to work is that from the main method of Homework 5, we will create or instantiate a movie object, and once that movie object is created, we will call import postings method on the movie object. Inside the import postings method, it will of course extract or import in all the postings from the text file, and then it will call create postings to create a new posting object for each of those text file, the text posting. Once each posting object is created, we will run clean text and extract sentiment on each posting. So once this process is over, we will call the printout method on the movie object, and in this printout method we will loop through the postings, and for each posting we will call the print method. And we will see the output of this process is we will see all the postings printed out with the updated text and also the sentiment, the extracted sentiment. So how does all this work together? Well, let me show you. If you go to Homework 5 class, remember I mentioned that first of all we will have the login process, and I will then create the movie object with two parameters. The first parameter is the title of the movie, which is in this example will be cop out, and the second parameter will be the directory where the text file for all the postings can be located, which is this one. It is located in the copout.txt file. So once the movie object is created, right here, we will then call import postings on the movie object. This import postings on the movie object will import the postings from that particular text file, will create the posting object for each of those individual postings, and then we'll run clean text and extract sentiment. Once all that is done, we will print out the details of each posting. So let's see how it works. Let's run this file. Now the first example, I'll show you a bad example where my login is bad, and I will get a message that says incorrect username and password, exiting system. Let's try again, and this time we'll do the right one. So my login is the correct one this time. What will happen is immediately the process will run and we'll import in all the postings, we'll clean the text, we'll extract the sentiment, and then we'll print out each of those postings. If you can see, each of those postings has been printed out, has been updated correctly, where the title has been extracted and the sentiment has also been extracted. So this is the expected output of the Homework 5. I hope you enjoy doing this, and if you need any help, please come see me or contact me. Thank you.